Hello YouTube. So today I'm going to be showing you how to beat the red demon in demolition. So let's get started. So what you want to do is go to this entrance. You will see a lot of white puddles. Make sure not to try and step on them. So it's pretty easy. So all you have to do is go over here. You gotta jump over these white puddles. Jump over it, and you will see this red hat. Grab it, and then you will soon become the red demon. As you can see, you will transform into the red demon. And yeah. Also, the blue demon. It's pretty easy. Oh, so the blue demon, never mind. So the blue demon, go this way. Well, I got infected, but I will still show you. So the blue demon is this way. So make a turn. Then you should see this type of castle. And you'll see this blue puddle. If you step in it, you will turn into the blue demon, but I can't since I'm the white demon. So yeah, just a tutorial. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to support me. I will be posting videos kinda now. So yeah, well, goodbye YouTube, and make sure to like and subscribe.